Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this bitmap, where it's actually a PNG, and it would almost trace when they want to know. They actually watched one of my videos, and I did it years ago because I had a lot of fun trying to figure out how to make a diamond shape. But if you just hold down the four-sided polygon, you make a diamond shape. Now, I could quite possibly make this into this. And then I started thinking, you don't have to hit your calculator. This thing has slopes. So I've got my nudge factor set on 5 inches. I'm going to draw a 5-inch circle. I'm going to control D and make a duplicate. And then I'm going to go 2.5 nudge. And I'm going to control D or hit the plus key. And look at this. Whoop. That's pretty much that shape. Matter of fact, well, we can't measure this. I'd almost be willing to say that that's perfect. You know what? Let's do this. Well, you can already see it right there. Left click, right click. Look at the contour. It's perfect. So that's a new shape for me because I actually try, I don't mind telling this. I almost thought about doing this, taking the shape tool and doing that, and then going to a curve. I actually did this and it didn't work. You couldn't convert, but now the corner, everything's too much of a curve. Really, that's two different shapes, but pretty cool within itself. And there's probably another way to make that, but that's a new shape for me. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit, and thank you for watching.